Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about two different functions. First is the distinct and second is the group by. So let us start with distinct. Distinct is being used to find out the unique values from a particular column. How to use distinct? Let's understand about it. Let us suppose that we wanted to know about how many unique job IDs are available in this particular column, that is job ID. We will write select distinct job ID from the table, that is employees. Run this. Oh, there are multiple columns. So approximately 19 job IDs are available in this particular table. Now let's understand about some other manager ID. Let's suppose we take manager ID. So there are approximately 19 manager ID also. Let's suppose department. Now the third example we will take for the department ID. Yes, here we can see that less values are there so that understanding can be. So there are approximately 12 different unique values are available along with null. So distinct is being used for finding out the distinct value from a particular column. We can use group by function also to find out unique values. So first understand why group by is being used. Group by function is being used to find out a grouping of particular column values, and we can get some mathematical summary also against those values, like how many count, what is the sum, or what is the average value from there. So let us start how we will use group by function. I will use again the same table, employees, and in this example the same value that we decided, department ID, and how. So whenever we are grouping some values, we need to put uh, the mathematical summaries like count, sum, or something like that. Let us start with some simple one. After that, the table name, then group by, and then again by which we wanted to group our value. Like here, we have chosen the department ID, then we will choose department ID here. So we see in department ID, there are 15 entries available. For 80, department ID 80, there are 34 values are available in this table. Same as for other department ID also. Now let us make it more interesting. So here we will add salary as well. Yes, that looks nice. So here we can see that for department ID 50, the count, the overall, the entries were 45, and they have a salary, total salary of 156400. The same goes for 40 and the other department IDs. We can use average also, average of salary. So average of salary also came here. Now let's suppose that I wanted to see manager ID wise, a particular manager ID and their department ID. So if I will add this value here and will run this, it wouldn't run. Why? Because there's just, we didn't mention our second group column here. So here we can see that these manager IDs, like here, the manager ID 101 has two different department IDs 70110, and in which the sum of salary is 10,000, and they, because there is just one values in everyone, so average also comes at 1,000. Let us go more in depth here. In this example, this 100 manager ID has five different department IDs, and every department has different entries like 11552, and the sum of the salary in this particular department is 13,000, 11,000, 36,400, 61,000, and the average came approximately 13,000, 11,000. So let us recap how group by function works. Group by functions are being used to group our data. By grouping our data, we can find out the number of entries in a particular table, the sum of, salary, sales, discount, or something, anything. We can find out against those group IDs. It could be department, it could be manager, or it could be, area of sales, anything by that. We can find different functions in group by. There is some average and other function which is basically less used in our day-to-day life. Basically we are using count, sum, and average in majority of the times. Thank you for watching. We'll meet again in next video.